All right, this is a preview of a member video. This is a short-term swing trade planning video in which RV presents many different symbols. We're going to preview this and show you the XBI, which is a positive setup, and I think you're going to think it is just so interesting. And everything we do is about giving lessons on our style of analysis and for you to learn more and more each time. So I think you're going to find this extremely valuable.
Now let's shift over to the next one. We will look at the XBI. We have been highlighting this for really some time here, as we did see this act a lot better than the overall market, and then we saw a little flag forming, and then you can see that that has turned up. I'll show you that on the daily. First, for the weekly time frame, again, we have a dominant cycle broken up into minor halves, and we were due to form a low, and you can see, if I zoom out, really nice clarity on these charts right here in XBI, with key lows that have formed close to that idealized timing here for many years. So let's go ahead and zoom in. Again, we are in the rising phase very clearly right here. It's reasonable to get into the middle of this zone. That zone comes in from 85.52 to 94.96, so I'd look for a move into that $95 level here prior to risk picking up here. But you'll note this is acting fairly well. This looks more like a little flag forming on the weekly time frame, and we still look for this to turn back up. We have a mid-cycle low on the weekly due right around that middle part of October time period, so just keep that on the radar as well. Daily chart, again, we have been monitoring this blue cycle since 6/21, which is around this time period right here, and we are looking for this to hold and really act up well, and you can see it really has. Note that this is forming a very swamp cycle as well in the context of a positive daily ribbon, acting nicely. We really have almost no time left for a pullback. We can see that the low is due 714 to 721. And what we look for is this zone from 78.39 to 75.30 to really hold it on the downside, and then look for a move to new swing highs. Now this zone right here from 84.78 to 88.19 was drawn using this set of anchors right there. So that low to that high to that low. This would be like a minor half cycle if I had drawn it on the chart. And let me just draw it for you so you can see what this looks like. So we're going to use our fib tool, go to the cycle low, go to the cycle high, go to the cycle low, which would be like a minor half as I just said here. And that's where we got the 78.6 to the 100. So I just wanted to show that to you so you can see where these levels came from. These levels came from this higher low right here. So I just wanted to let you know of that as well. So those are our levels and why we have the levels we do on the XBI. I just wanted to walk through that for you here. But basically we have very little time on the downside likely, and we look for this to turn right back up and make new swing highs shortly in the XBIs.